Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out the best deals going on at the Tractor Supply after Christmas sale. So let's dive in. All right, so right next to the door, we want to show you guys that they have 15% off of these BB and pellet guns. This is a great deal, especially if you wanted to grab you guys one for after Christmas. But great little deal right there. 15% off. It's nice, especially for us. We really like BB and pellet guns. They also have these holiday succulents, 75% off. So if you want to grab some of those, again, maybe, again, you could save them for next year or whatever you want to do. Have some bar and chain oil here for $5. We've seen this deal kind of going on a little bit. They had a bunch of these belts. I just wanted to show you all these kind of right next to the front. They had a bunch of these belts for sale and on clearance. So if you need any of these belts for different things, you can definitely check those out. Also had a little bit of stabilizer fuel. You can see these. Pretty good deals on those little clearance items. And then they had some of these lids. So again, if you need any of those lids for canning, great thing to check out. Also, if you need to kill some weeds, check these out right here. Then we get into some of the tool deals. You can see a bunch of these. I'll show you some of these here. They also have some kind of in the middle floor as well, but a bunch of stuff right here for DeWalt. Really good deals. And like I always say, guys, I have links for these items down below, and they also pop up kind of in the left-hand corner as well down there. So if you're interested, you can check them out down there and grab some of these. But I will say some of these deals say December 28th or kind of wrapping up here, or December 26th as well. So some of them are still available, so you can definitely check and see if they're available at your store. I don't know if they're kind of listing them until they've sold out or what they're doing, but a lot of these were still out and still available at my store, so you can check some of these out. Also have a little spray gun here, $80. Again, different ones. We showed you all these before, but still pretty good deals going on right now for those. Great little prices for a lot of these items. See some of those there. Then they had a bunch of these DeWalt items marked down to $24 here for tape measures. You see the gear wrench has theirs marked down, $54 for their big setup. They have some more as well. I'll show you all those in just a moment. But I want to show you guys these little blades here. Again, good pricing on those. You can see, and this Job Smart little drill, stop drill or set drill set. But a lot of these things have been picked over. I'm not at my normal store. I'm at a different store. But again, a lot of things have been picked over. Tool bags down even lower than before. I think I do find one in here in a moment, but just want to show you all this. Little blow guns. I didn't see this at my store. The $40 for some blow guns. We actually used these growing up a lot. They were a lot of fun. Great little Christmas gift or after Christmas gift. Got the tool chest here, $600. Still on sale. Great thing to check out there. Large setup. Have a bunch of these little fun things to put together with your kids. Maybe you have a little extra time right now during the holidays. You can grab you one of these and put it together. Again, it's on sale. Good little Christmas gift as well, but great thing to check out. Then they have these little Job Smart mini tool set. Again, I think it's a great thing to give kids. Get them out there, get them fixing stuff, learning how you do it with you. It's a great thing to have multiple Christmas decor, and I'll show you on the other side all the other Christmas items that they have. But more gear wrench stuff right there. I'll show you that in a second. And then they also have the tackle box. Again, we saw these earlier, but still on sale. I think it's a great little fun thing to have their throwing kit down to $29.99, and then 15% off all their knives. So you'll see knives all throughout the video, but just wanted to show you guys all these knives, 15% off, I think even on their clearance. So a lot of these items are clearanced, and then you get another 15% off. So again, if you're interested in any knives, great time to go ahead and grab you some of these. So you can see a bunch of them. Some have been picked over, but still a bunch left in my store. Even Embers 2-burner fire cart here, $150. There's another one in a minute. I'll show you that for Even Embers. They have these batteries. You can see the batteries on sale for the little thing up here, so you can check this out. So if you need some type of cellular security camera, you got a battery on there for that. A big deal, I think, is the 40% off Porter Cable Power Tools. I mean, again, this is a great DIY brand, great one to get you started. If you don't have power tools, I think it's a great one to go ahead and dive into. They've been around a long time and they do a really good job, but 40% off, that's hard to beat. Really good deals on a lot of those, so definitely check those out. And like I said, I'll have some links for those down below. Got some more DeWalt deals. Got this little combo kit here for 300 bucks. I think it's a great deal for that one. Really like it. And a lot of these items were also picked over in my store. So you can see a lot of them have been picked over, but some of them are still available. Got this shop stool there. That one is available. But then a lot of these other, kits and stuff like that for DeWalt, especially all these little things, have been picked over for Christmas. Another DeWalt item, but I do want to show y'all these. They might still say, hey, these are available. So if you go to your store, you can check them out and see if they're still there. But like I said, a lot of these sales are still going on right now, so you can check them out, as well as the after Christmas sales and everything like that. So they're trying to move a lot of their inventory, so you can always check and see what might be available in the back. And still great deals on a lot of these batteries and blades, and even this little inflator kit here for $150. But again, DeWalt's a really good brand. Going to do a great job. See some of those. Little circular saw there. Makita even had a couple items on sale. $140 for this. I think it's the same price we saw earlier for Christmas stuff, but just wanted to show you that. Little storage tote, $15. Stanley, we saw that at the other store, but still on sale, or clearance, excuse me. DeWalt grinder right there, we do see that one. Some Gorilla Tape, and then also we have other deals for those. More DeWalt mechanics tool set, $90. And then we have tape measures, and then even a kneeling pad as well. A lot of those were picked over, but still some there. More knives. We're going to show you this little Field & Stream setup. More knives. So again, if you are interested in these, you can definitely check them out and see what's still available. And they even have some of these cups marked down. Save $10 off of that one. Solid cup there. More gear wrench sets. See, those are the ratcheting wrenches. $100 for these. Really good prices. Torque wrench, $95 there. Heavy duty for DeWalt. And then you also have the other large wrench set right here. More ratcheting wrenches for those. $100. Then they have some JobSmart deep impact socket sets. If you don't have one, definitely grab you some of these. I have been using them recently, putting stuff together. So it's a great thing to have. Use it all the time. Fencing pliers, $21 for DeWalt. I also have a bunch of flashlights on sale. Our kids got multiple different flashlights for Christmas, and they absolutely love them. They've been using them for hunting and just going outside and just playing around and having fun. So all kind of flashlights for sale, different brands, different types. And then they had a bunch of bulbs for sale as well. So if you have a bunch of unique bulbs, or if you just want to stock up, this is a great time to go and check out and see if they have the ones that you might need. You can see how many of these are on clearance, which is crazy. But like I said, I really like flashlights, all kinds of different ones here, different prices and different types. So I got a bunch of flashlights for Christmas. So always go and check those out. They had a buy one, get one 50% off dog treats here from Field & Stream. So if you got a pup, go and check those if you need one. They also have the 26 gun safe, $500. They did not have the other ones on sale. So I don't know if somebody had picked those up, but you can go and check and see which one you might need. Tractor seats, 10% off. So if you need to get a tractor seat there, whichever brand you might need, a bunch of these 10% off. Great. Had a bunch of their deer hunting stuff on clearance. My son just got his first deer this week, and so we are super excited. But they have a bunch of different deer hunting stuff here on clearance as well. So great time to grab that. It's beginning to wrap up here where I live. But I know some people still have some time, but you can grab some of these, get you some good prices and good clearance items here at Tractor Supply on different feed and other kind of supplies and different things like that. See, they're right here, feeder kit down to $40. 50% off some beds. Need a bed for your dog or animal. 50% off pet apparel. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any pet apparel at your house. Didn't even know that was really a thing there. Cat tower here for $130. Also, let me know in the comments what you guys plan on grabbing, or if you have gotten something at Tractor Supply for Christmas. They also have 50% off this Christmas decor. They have multiple racks and racks of this stuff. I was able to get pictures of a few of these items, but I actually was pretty busy here at Tractor Supply while I was grabbing these. A lot of people picking over this old Christmas stuff. So 50% off Christmas decor, pretty good prices on that. A bunch of different random stuff. So again, Christmas is over by the time you're watching this video. So grabbing some stuff for next year, but have a bunch of different stuff, a bunch of different items still available. So if you're interested, slide on over and get you some of that. 4% off toys. I really love Tractor Supply toys. Makes you get outside or just be active when you're playing with these things instead of like video games and stuff like that. So a lot of different toy options and toy deals. Really good deals on those. 20% select game cameras. So different cameras as well for hunting. Like I said, we showed you a bunch of the hunting stuff is on sale and the knives, but also the game cameras. A little bed on sale here for $10. And also the folding mats. Ride-on toy. Get save $80 on that one. Our kids absolutely love stuff like this. Also had some soap here, 20% off. I really like this stuff. Probably should have grabbed me a few of those. We've used them in the past. They work really well. 40% off ridge cut tops. So again, if you want to get you a little top here, maybe even after Christmas, didn't get exactly what you want, 40% off, pretty good price. 25% off Carhartt tops. So you can see some of these. Solid pricing on those. Also 25% off Columbia tops. So if you need a Columbia top, I think it might exclude jackets, but you can go and see. We saw these are on sale, these little jackets here, $30. Great prices on those. And then we also have 15% off different items, snow items, and boots as well. Then we get into their clearance section. Now this one here is smaller, but they had a lot of clearance items. We have the Stanley tape measure here. Great price right there for that one. Some lighters and different stuff. I like those. Little mouse traps. $5.50 on that one. Got some wet ones. We have a bunch of different cleaning stuff here, and also just like, you know, grooming for your pets, but a bunch of different clearance items, and even some of these chewing bones and other snacks and stuff like that for your pets. So if you need any of those, really good prices. You can see all the clearance right here for these. Trying to move them out of here, I'm assuming, but also really good deals for, again, just anyone. Got a few more tools here. Got some Job Smart tools. Also have more clearance items on these. Different stuff. We got the tape there, and then also the drill bits, a little safer home, fly catcher. I really like that. That's a great thing to have in your house. I mean, really good price as well. More lighters and stuff like that. Get some of those there. And more little, again, just some small tools there. Most of the stuff in this section is more of the DIY stuff, like you might have your house or your truck, but just want to show you all these. They did have these buckets still available, so if you need a Tractor Supply bucket, like I think I talked about, another buddy's channel talks about a lot of the buckets he's been getting for the holidays. Like I said, Mastering Mayhem is a great fun channel on that stuff. I'll try to leave a link down below. I don't know if I did last time, so I'll try to leave a link for him, but it's a fun channel, fun follow. And more items right here and different things. And the other side, they had more just like snacks and stuff for your animals. Little bully safe, $16. Again, more treats and different things on those there. And then they also had some more stuff up top here on clearance. I'm not 100% sure what those are, but grab those. More bites and stuff for your cats. My wife has a couple cats in my house, but they are outside cats. Protect our chickens. More knives and different things. I guess those knives are 15% off as well, so those are fun knives to have 15% off. O-ring lubricant on clearance. More Job Smart tools here. I like those right there, the wrenches. Again, utility knives on sale. Great thing to pick up and stock up on those. You can see these are picked over right here. A lot of these items, again, were picked over. Ratchet strap is on sale, $6. Great thing to grab there. We saw these earlier, I believe, but again, I always recommend grabbing some of those deep socket sets. Like I said, I was putting some stuff together for Christmas and needed the deep socket sets to be able to finish all of those. More stuff right there. Then we also have the 5-burner griddle here. Again, also from the Even Embers. 20% off purchase of 2 Weber spices. So again, if you need some spices and different stuff for grilling, have some of these barrels at the store I was at, $33. Those are fun barrels. Then they also have the log splitter here for $20.24. Down clearance as well. Be able to get some logs and take care of those there. But overall, there are some great prices going on right now at the local Tractor Supply. Let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing, or if you've already gotten some of these deals for Christmas. I'd love to know that. Also, if this video is helpful, please feel free to like and subscribe so you never miss another deal. I also have links down below. You can check them out there, and you can check out another video right here. I'll see you over there.